Tesla's groundbreaking 16K smart TV, a technological leap ahead. Elon Musk has done it again. First, he revolutionized the EV industry with Tesla. Then, he disrupted social media with X. Now, he's taking over your living room with a futuristic leap in display technology. While other tech giants like Samsung, Sony, and LG are still refining 8K TVs, Tesla is skipping ahead, introducing the world's first 16K smart TV, and it's packed with mind-blowing innovations. Why is Tesla skipping 8K for 16K? The bold strategy behind the future of displays. The world has barely adopted 8K, yet Musk is already pushing the boundaries with 16K. Why? Speed, innovation, and staying ahead of the competition. Even though 8K TVs have been on the market since 2015, they haven't reached mass popularity due to one major problem: a lack of content. As of 2024, less than 5% of global video content is produced in 8K resolution, meaning most 8K TVs are just upscaling lower resolution footage rather than displaying true 8K content. Tesla's vision is different. Musk isn't waiting for the industry to catch up, he's building the future now. Tesla's AI-powered upscaling technology ensures that any content, whether 4K, 1080p, or even older formats, gets transformed into stunning 16K clarity in real time. Thanks to Tesla's advancements in AI, this technology will redefine how we watch TV before 8K even becomes standard. The power of 16K, what makes it superior to anything you've seen before? A 16K resolution, 15,360 x 8,640 pixels, delivers an astonishing 32.7 million pixels, 4 times the sharpness of 8K and 16 times the clarity of 4K. Imagine every blade of grass on a football field, every tiny detail in a nature documentary, every wrinkle on an actor's face, displayed in unparalleled realism. Tesla's OLED 16K display will offer sharper visuals with 32.7 million pixels for extreme clarity. Unmatched brightness at 5,000 nits, far surpassing Samsung and Sony's top-tier models. Ultra-fast 0.2 millisecond response time, eliminating motion blur in fast-paced scenes. AI-enhanced upscaling, turning any video into a true-to-life 16K experience. Whether you're a movie lover, a sports enthusiast, or a gamer, Tesla's 16K TV will transform the way you see entertainment forever. Beyond just a TV, the exclusive features of Tesla's 16K Smart TV. Tesla's 16K TV isn't just about a higher resolution, it's a technological revolution packed with cutting-edge features. Holographic display technology. Imagine watching a movie and seeing objects appear as if they're floating in your living room, all without wearing 3D glasses. Tesla's quantum vision display creates a realistic depth effect, taking immersion to the next level. Sunglasses augmented reality integration sync with Tesla's upcoming AR glasses, allowing you to expand your digital environment. Stock market charts, gaming overlays, and sports stats can appear right before your eyes, making multitasking effortless. Super clear mode for enhanced readability. If you've ever struggled with small subtitles or text on a screen, Tesla's TV automatically adjusts font size, sharpness, and contrast based on your viewing distance, ensuring maximum readability, perfect for older viewers. 360 degrees spatial sound with AI processing, no need for an external sound system. Tesla's AI-driven spatial audio adapts to your room layout, delivering cinema-quality surround sound for the most immersive experience. Home security integration. Turn your Tesla TV into a home security hub by connecting it to Tesla vehicles and home cameras. Get live security feeds displayed directly on your big screen, whether you're checking who's at the door or monitoring your driveway. Tesla AI Assistant, a built-in AI assistant that reads news, gives weather updates, and reminds you of important events. Ask your TV for stock prices, sports scores, or breaking news, all hands-free. How much will it cost? The most shocking part. Now, here's the biggest surprise: the Tesla 16K Smart TV costs less than $157. Given its insane features and futuristic technology, This pricing strategy seems too good to be true. Is Tesla selling at a loss to dominate the smart TV industry? Or is there a bigger plan behind it? Musk is known for aggressive disruption, just like he did with Tesla's EVs and SpaceX rockets. Are you ready to experience the future of TV? Will Tesla's 16K smart TV be the final nail in the coffin for Samsung, LG, and Sony? Would you upgrade to 16K or stick with your current display? Let us know in the comments. If you love diving into the latest Tesla innovations, make sure to like and subscribe to Core Tech, your go-to source for all things tech, EV, and AI.